This is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I will unbox this brand new smartphone and we'll together see what items and accessories this device comes with. So let's jump right into it. So at the bottom or the belly part of the box, you'll find those two paper strips that you need to peel off in order for the box to be, well, opened, or in order for the box to, well, be able to be opened, should I say. So peel those two papers right off. And now you can take off the top cover and reveal the brand new iPhone 16 Pro, which already looks like a Pro device, obviously, since unlike the regular iPhone 16 or 16 Plus, it has 3 cameras instead of 2. And overall, the camera bump is different, so you can tell right away whether it is the Pro model or a regular iPhone 16, obviously. Now let's also peel off the screen protector or the screen protective paper. That's what this device looks from all its angles and sides. So you have 3 buttons in total, and the volume rocker, the SIM card tray, and the Type-C charge-in/data transfer port. You have the stereo speakers here, and, well, a bunch of antennas. So nothing surprising, really. That's what it looks like. Maybe let me try to power it on so you can have a look or have a glance at the display or at the screen of this smartphone, since, well, Apple is pretty notorious for their absolutely stunning and gorgeous displays, even though non-Pro models still have only 60 Hz of refresh rate for some mysterious reason, but this one is a Pro model, so it's not a problem here. So that's what its screen looks like. Maybe let me lock the screen back to, like, look at the colors, I guess. Yeah, looks like an iPhone, looks like the, well, iPhone's display, Retina or whatever display they put into their iPhones now. Probably not Retina, but anyway, so that's how the smartphone itself looks. Now let's also see what accessories it comes with, and, well, the packaging, the box kit of this phone is pretty bare bones for quite some time now. You get the braided Type-C to Type-C cable, and the cable itself feels pretty good, if you ask me. It's not like your regular Apple rubber, or should I say resin covered or isolated cable. It has additional braiding knitted onto it, so I guess that's, well, this cable is going to serve you well, or at least it should. And you obviously also get the SIM injection tool, which is to be expected, and the paperwork. And from what I can see, it's pretty much it. So as far as the unboxing of the smartphone goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye bye.